If you are interested in seeing what this concoction is, stay tuned. It's something good. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Nefer Persona. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY deep conditioner using one of my favorite natural products. As you saw there, if you're new here, welcome. This is a lifestyle beauty vlog type channel. If you're interested in seeing content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. The ingredients that I will be using, of course, is my aloe, and that's how it looks inside if you've never seen it before. Be really careful when cutting it because it's very slimy, very slippery. And that knife I'm using is extremely sharp. So just take that in consideration. So how I dice it up is like in little chunks like that, and then take those spikes off of the sides. And then you're going to cut it down the middle, and you're going to use a spoon to slice out all of the gooey, juicy goodness that you want to put in your hair. I will be using coconut oil, jojoba oil, olive oil, peppermint oil, and some Shea Moisture, manuka oil, and honey. Deep conditioning mask, and all you need is just a little bit. I love to use a peppermint because it's one of the best ingredients for your scalp. All great hair starts with a healthy and nurtured scalp. So remember that, ladies and gents, if you're interested in getting strong, healthy hair with less breakage, it starts from the root, which is inside. So scalp care is definitely beneficial to natural hair. Even if you're relaxed, or whatever the case may be, just remember that. Take heed to that. But that's the flesh. There's kind of jelly, kind of reminds you of the slime. If you've ever made slime, it's that consistency, but just a little bit wet, more wet than slime. So I'm just going to continue to make my mask, and I'm going to blend it. Honestly, there's no way I can recommend you can do this without some type of blending mechanism, whether it's a hand mixer or a blender or a bullet, like the magic bullet. And all you need is a little bit of the conditioner that you're going to use. As you see, that's all I put in, which is like 3 scoops. And that's the coconut oil, just that amount, because you don't want it to be too heavy on your hair. Oh, castor oil. That's what I forgot to tell you. I used the castor oil, and castor oil is very beneficial for your hair and scalp as well. And you can also do quite a bit of things with that. And that's the olive oil. That amount there. And then I'm going to use a little bit of the jojoba. Jojoba oil is awesome for moisturization, and that's what I'm seeking because my hair is on the dry side. So if it's dry, definitely try this, guys. I'm in love with this mask, and that's about 10 dabs or dots, however you want to say, and that's how it's looking. So if you didn't have a blender, mixer, that's what you're going to be working with. Big chunks of stuff, and you don't want to put that in your hair, I should say. So I'm just going to get it all put into the blending cup and just pulsate until smooth. Your goal on this part is to get rid of those chunks. You don't have to do any straining or anything on this step. Here we go. Alright, so once you get it all nice and smooth and there's no lumps or chunks or bonks or cronks or oodie bitty bitty lumps in it, be careful, babe. That's how it looks. Looks very edible, very enticing. Yes, babe. But don't eat it. And I just kept an old Shine and Jam container. I keep these containers for quite a bit of things. Yes, babe. Now we're going to get right to it. And I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair with a Manuka oil and honey shampoo. And I did also go behind that with some Head and Shoulders because I needed something with sulfates to get rid of the gel that I had in my hair. I had quite a bit of buildup, so consider that as well. Just gonna douse and glob and booey mob the conditioner in my hair, and the slippage is awesome. I was able to detangle quite well. Write this down on your calendar to definitely put this in your regimen if you're trying to restore your hair. I'm in a growth challenge for myself right now. I want my hair back. I want it to be in the state it was like 2 years ago. So follow me if you're interested in seeing my journey. I've used it down enough to where I can probably close it without it spilling over. So it was quite a bit. I'm also going to wash Zion's hair with it, but not today. So I have to take the braids down. So I'm just going to clean up, let this sit, and try to dig the rest out of here with my flat spoon because I don't want to waste anything. And barely any shedding ever since I started using like the rice water and the aloe vera. I decided to make some conditioner because like my hair needs a little bit more, you know, that's all the shedding right there. So alright, I'll be back in 30 minutes. I left it in for maybe an hour. So I've eaten and I watched TV. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out and then I'll come right back. Okay, so it's washed out. That's what we're looking at as far as curls. Okay, everything washed out pretty smoothly. I am now going to blow dry my hair. I also was able to get that comb right through it. And this is a product I'm going to use. It's the John Frieda Frizz E Serum. I will have that listed below. It also works as an awesome detangler. That is a salon tip that's on the bottle. I was able to glide my fingers through my hair after putting this in, and it's just an amazing heat protectant. I'm going to do the tension method here, and it is on the low setting. I don't have a concentrator. I need to get one, but it's not really a big deal because I don't do this a lot. But I wanted my hair to be in a stretched state, easier to work with, plus it's cold, and it's like 6 o'clock at night, and I ain't got time to be waiting on no hair to dry. Let's continue. To tell you all that my hair is extremely soft, like butter. It even has a little bit of body in there. Wow. Very soft, very, very soft. Like my hair, look at that. You don't even hear anything like you normally would hear. Now my ends are still kind of fluffed a little. I probably need to cut, let's see, probably this much more off. And I eventually will. I just don't want to chop too much of my hair. But I'm going to continue to blow dry, and I will come back and show you the finished result of everything. And I may go ahead and even flat iron it just to see. This stuff is amazing if you never tried it. I've tried it 3 days straight. I think I still have some of that somewhere in here, but that product is good too. So I did used to wear my hair straight a lot, and my oldest, I used to flat out her hair quite a bit. Let me go ahead and finish this up, and I will come back when I'm done. I just discovered I have 2 damn gray hairs in my damn head. I thought it was something white. There's a piece right there, right here. That wisdom is coming through. I was just messing with my little sister about her gray hairs. My hair, outside of them 2 gray hairs, is so soft. Look at that. And those of you that have been around and watch, you know I accidentally cut my hair on this side back in May of this year. That's why it's like a hole right there. It's supposed to look like this. And you can kind of see what I've cut this. But overall, my conditioner is a go. Definitely give it a try if you want some soft hair, because my hair is really soft. Alright, don't mind my face here. I'm just thinking of what to do to my hair next. Stay to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.